Today we take a look at the DISEN 14-piece black nickel-plated 90-tooth ratcheting wrenches kit. So one thing they wanted me to point out is that even though this says 72 teeth 5 degrees, this is actually 90 teeth 4 degrees. So it's just a mislabeling. These are 90-tooth ratchets. I would like to confirm that. That plating is gorgeous. So it says they are chrome vanadium. They are labeled 3/4 on both sides, so you're not going to be able to miss that. So let's compare that. This is a 90-tooth ratchet. This one feels a little firmer, but it does feel like it has a ton of teeth on it. So this feels like heavier teeth, so it might just be a stronger spring. But the amount of clicks seems very similar in my opinion. So we'll start at 12 o'clock. Yeah, so 45 from the top to the bottom, so that is for sure a 90-tooth ratchet. A little odd, but I'll take it. In case you don't know, 90 teeth is very important if you're going to be working in a tight area, because if you can only move a wrench that much, you can still get a couple of clicks out of it. So I love a good 90-tooth wrench. So if we pull this up, we can see on this side everything is standard. We have got 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. So that is a complete set from a 3/8 to a 3/4, no skips. If we flip this over, we got 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17. So we did skip a 9, 11, and a 16. They're super uncommon. I never see those anyway, so that's not really a big deal to me. We do have a complete set, in my opinion, from an 8 to a 17. I can see they did put an arrow on here, so you know which way this is going to drive. So if we pull up, that is going to drive that bolt. I do also really like seeing that gold color on there. That really makes these things stand out. They are a 12-point and a standard open end on the other side. So one of the things I like about this pack is the fact that we can just close this thing up, grab it by the handle, and we can take it right out to the work site. So even if we don't know which size fastener we're going to be using, we got the wrench for it. Plus on top of that, we got both metric and standard. So most people, they just carry one set. With this, we got 2 full sets. Now if we want to just kind of lay this out a little more, I suppose we could just take this and pop it out. But I kind of like it like this. I'm going to keep it like that. Having a little mobile toolkit like this, that always comes in handy.
So this bolt is a half, so I got the half. The 13 is pretty close, so I'm just going to use that for grabbing the other side. So yeah, nice and easy, and this is actually much smoother than I was expecting. Like, there's very little back drag when you actually got it on a nut. Yeah, that's a very nice little set.